Oh yeah. Got one. An underspin, guys. Got one so far, guys. Out here at the Quill Road, Aqueduct, right before Kelman over here. I know there's gonna be something under the bridge. There's always something under the bridge, especially when the sun is up. Because the wind and the current is blowing, it's hard to get the bait to the bottom. It's not heavy enough. This is just a 4-ounce owner, 4-ounce owner underspin. So trying to get it down to the bottom so we can hop it, but see if that works. I don't have much on me besides this, so do what we can. Or just one in that bridge, so that's it. Another one right here only. Fatty. Another fatty. update. This is Avenue 30th, the Aqueduct under the bridge. Flow is a little bit slower here than on Quill Road, but look, no skunk. Another one ate it good too. Underspin, about a good 15-inch. Come out and try it, guys. It's a good time. Ate it good. These bass are hungry. That's the bait, guys. The whale on the underspin. They're usually under the bridge. What I'm doing is just casting out, letting it drop to the bottom and swimming it back slowly, hopping it. See if we can get another one. Cast it all the way to the pillars over there. All right, this is the hot spot. See, there's anything hiding right here. Nothing. Let's throw a little bit deeper. Throw a little bit deeper, and then we'll bring it back. Nothing. See if we get anything down here. Let's just drop our bait straight down. To the bottom. Nothing. Sit out.